Good morning. Yesterday we have done 2 points of importance of pH in everyday life. Today third point, importance of pH in our digestive system. It is interesting to remember that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid which helps in digestion without harming the stomach. We know that our stomach is producing hydrochloric acid. More about digestive system you will study in biology chapter. Hydrochloric acid is secreted by the wall of stomach which helps in digestion, and the food which is coming from the esophagus, stomach is helping in digestion by secreting. There are 3 gastric juices and that we shall learn later on. In stomach, if there is more HCl, why more HCl? When it cannot digest the food, stomach produces more acid during indigestion. When there is indigestion, stomach will continue its work. Stomach has to digest the food, so it will secrete more hydrochloric acid from its wall. This causes pain and irritation, and that in a general word we say acidity. What is acidity? When we eat more or when we eat heavy things which is not easy to digest, stomach will secrete more acid to digest that food, and this process we say indigestion. During indigestion, stomach produces more acid and that cause you pain and irritation, and that we say acidity. When there is acidity, what people do? To get rid of, people use bases called antacids. In market also many tablets are there, liquids are also there, Dizene. Here one example is given for antacid. Okay, when the people use antacid, what antacid do in our stomach? These antacids neutralize the excess acid. Excess acid which is produced, this antacid will neutralize the acid and will stop our acidity and will stop the pain and irritation. Example of antacid is milk of magnesia, MgO. This can be asked in fill in the blanks. Milk of magnesia, MgO. What is the name of magnesium? The MgO, magnesium oxide. Okay. Now let us go for the next topic. pH change as the cause of tooth decay. In tooth decay, here you can see the figure of diagram of tooth. The first part, as you know, the white part which is shining too much, that is enamel. The second is dentine and the third one is pulp cavity. So let's read from textbook. Tooth decay starts when the pH of mouth is, tooth decay starts when the pH goes down lower than 5.5. 5.5 already it is acidic, but if it is less than 5.5 then tooth decay starts. Okay. Tooth enamel made up of calcium phosphate. Please underline that word. Tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate. Is the hardest substance in the body. It does not dissolve in water, but it is corroded, means the color changes. If you are not brushing your teeth properly, it becomes yellowish in color. So once it is, for example, I say it becomes yellow, afterwards it will not come to its white part. It will remain yellow. So you have to brush your teeth in time properly. But is corroded when the pH in the mouth goes below 5.5. Now when we wake up in the morning, our mouth stinks. Our mouth stinks because of bacteria, and that time if you are not brushing it, before brushing if you are taking breakfast and anything food, that bacteria will react and it will make the tooth decay more. Bacteria present in mouth produce acids by degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. So that is why when we wake up, first the work is to brush our teeth. The best way to prevent this is to clean the mouth. You have to clean the mouth. Clean the mouth after eating food. Whenever you eat, before you go to bed, you have to brush your teeth in a simple way, not so hard, in a simple way, so that the food particles which are stuck in the cavity of your teeth will get out, and your tooth becomes, or your teeth becomes clean, bacteria less. The best way to prevent is to clean your mouth after eating food. Now using toothpaste. This is toothpaste. And if they ask what is the nature of toothpaste, it is basic in nature. Because when they say lower than 5.5, that means acidic. So if we want to neutralize it, then we have to use some basic thing. Okay. Here you can see the boy is brushing his teeth. Okay. Brushing his teeth. Now if they are saying if we are using toothpaste, then what is the nature of toothpaste? The nature of toothpaste is basic. And what this toothpaste do? This toothpaste neutralizes the excess acid which is produced. When it is produced, when there is tooth decay, your pH of the tooth will become less than 5.5. That means excess of acid is produced. This excess of acid is neutralized by using toothpaste. Why? Because toothpaste is basic in nature. The next is self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. In this first one is in honeybee bite. In honeybee bite. Bee sting. So let me show you bee sting. See here you can see this is the painful sting. This honeybee bites us with this painful sting. In villages and all, some people knows that to remove this sting, then the pain will be less. And many other remedies are there when bee stings us. Bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. Use of mild base like baking soda which you are using at your home in kitchen. Baking soda on the sting area gives relief. Now can you make out the nature of baking soda? It will be basic in nature. Using baking soda, the fast relief, first aid, what we say first aid. Then if it is more, then you have to visit doctor. But for the first aid, you can use baking soda to get relief from the pain and irritation by the bee sting. Okay. Now second one is in the sting of nettle leaves. That is in your page number 28. Okay. That some information is given in the sting of nettle leaves. Let me show you the picture of nettle leaves. So this one is a nettle leaves. See, you can see it has thorns. That thorns are not called thorn, actually it is a sting. So this is for their protection. Accidentally if we touch these leaves, it bites us. That we say nettle sting. Stinging hair of nettle leaves inject methanoic acid. Okay, when you are reading from the textbook, underline methanoic acid causes burning pain. And its remedy is rub that area. Rub where you got the nettle sting, rub that area with the dog plant. Where the dog plant will be available, that will be near nettle leaves only. This is wild leaves. Okay, this is a wild plant, wild leaves in jungle and all. Then rub with the dog plant. Now can you make out the nature of dog plant? If it is methanoic acid, injected methanoic acid, then what will be the nature of dog plant? The nature of dog plant will be acid. Nature of dog plant will be basic in nature. Okay, so base and acid will neutralize the pain, will neutralize the irritation, burning sensation. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.